What are sustainable materials? Have you ever wondered what makes a material sustainable? In today's world, where technology and environmental concerns are intertwined, understanding sustainable materials is essential. Sustainable materials are substances used in manufacturing and production that have a reduced environmental impact throughout their life cycle. This includes how they are sourced, processed, used, and disposed of. The goal is to conserve natural resources, minimize pollution, and support ecological balance. At the core, sustainable materials are often renewable, recyclable, biodegradable, or made from recycled content. This approach aims to reduce reliance on finite resources and lower carbon footprints. In the realm of computing, this translates to using materials that can be efficiently recycled or safely disposed of. This helps reduce electronic waste, often referred to as e-waste, and minimizes toxic substances that can harm the environment. Key characteristics of sustainable materials in computing and technology include energy efficiency. Materials that enable devices to consume less power contribute to sustainability by reducing overall energy demand. For example, energy-efficient components can significantly lower electricity usage in devices. Recyclability and biodegradability are also vital. Materials that can be recovered and reused or that break down naturally help reduce landfill waste and environmental contamination. This is particularly important for electronic components, which often contain precious metals and hazardous substances. Durability and modularity are essential traits as well. Sustainable materials support the creation of hardware that lasts longer and can be easily repaired or upgraded. This extends the product lifecycle and reduces the frequency of replacement, ultimately lowering resource consumption. Another important aspect is non-toxicity. Avoiding materials that releases harmful chemicals during production, use, or disposal protects ecosystems and human health. In practical applications, sustainable materials are integrated into various areas within computing and emerging technology. For instance, hardware manufacturing increasingly uses recycled plastics, sustainably sourced metals, and biodegradable components in devices like laptops, smartphones, and servers. Data center infrastructure is also evolving. Materials that improve thermal management and energy efficiency, such as advanced cooling materials, help reduce the need for energy-intensive air conditioning. Packaging and accessories are not left out either. Companies are utilizing minimal, recyclable, or compostable packaging materials to reduce waste in the supply chain. Emerging technologies are also making strides with new materials like bio-based polymers or graphene alternatives. These materials offer superior performance while having a lower environmental impact. Sustainable materials are a foundational element of broader green computing and sustainable information technology strategies. These strategies also include energy-efficient software, virtualization, and cloud computing to optimize resource use and reduce environmental footprints. By focusing on sustainable materials, the technology sector supports the circular economy. This means keeping materials in use for as long as possible while minimizing waste. Sustainable materials in computing help reduce environmental harm by being energy efficient, recyclable, durable, and non-toxic. This ultimately supports the development of greener technologies and infrastructure aligned with global sustainability trends.